Marketing health and wellness products is a complex cycle that begins with selection of raw materials and progresses through testing, manufacturing, production, packaging, labeling, and order fulfillment. This continuous process requires constant oversight and experienced management to assure the highest levels of quality and efficiency. Raw materials are inventoried in a secure environment and tested for purity before being authorized for use. Ingredients are then measured and combined into custom formulations according to exacting requirements. The production team takes charge of the project, utilizing modern equipment to transform raw materials into precise dosage forms. The bulk product is then fed into advanced machinery that fills, seals, caps, and labels individual bottles. After quality assurance inspections, cases are moved into a temperature-controlled warehouse. When orders are received, product is selected and prepared for transport to destinations around the world. The Private Label Express team is committed to developing relationships that promote business growth with a combination of broad industry expertise, cost control, manufacturing knowledge, and personal involvement at every step.